No, I don't want that
Alright, Thrill Max. This is S&S Screamin. We also have Crazy Kyle. We're here on Apollo's Swing here at Mount Olympus in the Wisconsin Dells. Here we go, Thrill Max. Woo! I'm doing this for Miss Becca.
Definitely not used to these.
Pretty cool though, right?
Oh yeah, it's a lot it's way tamer than the one that we went on.
Guys, if you see my body swaying back and forth, because we can feel the swing swaying back and forth. It's really cool.
Was it good? Alright, who's ready to do it again?
Pretty fun. Not right now.
Not right now? Where's your band?
Alright, everybody, remember to always take your thrills to the max. I'm S&S Screamin. This is Crazy Kyle. We'll catch you guys next time.